Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ipsy Ultimate for the month of April. Yeah, this is April. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing in here is the bag, actually. Now I've seen the spoilers for the bag, and this thing is adorable. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. It has like these like wooden zippers. I don't know, they just look higher end this month. I mean, they haven't been bad the last few months, just something about them just seems, I don't know, different, fancy. Next thing in here, we have the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara. That's what it looks like, and I will try this on in my, the try on video. Oh, and I do have a booklet this month. So, Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara in black XXL is full size is $22. I'll just open this up and put everything I already talked about inside my makeup bag. Genius, right? Okay, the next thing in here is from Dr. Oakham's Plus, and it is a cream peptide. It's a cream. That's very helpful. Here it is. Cica peptide cream. It's a deluxe sample. Trendy skincare ingredient for spring. It also happens to be the hero in this anti-aging cream. It's loved by dermatologists for its ability to do all: reduce inflammation, minimize redness, and fortify your skin's protective barrier. Okay, and the full size of this is $38. The full size would be 50 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters. The next thing in here is from Verb. It's a ghost hair mask. After washing, works thinner formula through damp hair. Okay, and the full size of this is $18, and that's 180 grams. This is 19 grams, so you get considerably more. I tried to see how much that Function of Beauty is, for shampoo. That's expensive. Oh. Okay, the next thing in here is Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. It says 100% natural, made in the UK. I can't find it. Here it is. This is also a deluxe sample. That's a pretty hefty deluxe sample. It's $27 for 15 milliliters, and this is 7, so it's about half. The next thing in here is from Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set. So we have the shade Shell Beach Sheer. Paris Pink. I feel like I have Paris Pink or something very similar. George Peach and English Rose. Does it smell like rose, I wonder? No, it does not smell like rose. Okay, there's all 4 of the colors. It's really hard to see the beach one because of my skin tone. Whatever color I have, I do like using it. It's nice for work because if you forget about it, it just kind of goes away and it doesn't like leave any stains around your mouth. So that's nice. Those are $48. Interesting. 48 bucks for those 4 little things. Anyways, okay. The next thing in here is from Pure Heals by Nature's Village. Is that tree supposed to be an L? Yes, Pure Heals. It is a propolis softening toner, and its full size is $20 and it's 125 milliliters. This is 30 milliliters, so quite a bit more. Okay, next thing in here is from Livido, inspired by nature, pomegranate seed oil, lemon, and macadamia. 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. I hope this isn't the same thing that's supposedly coming in BoxyCharm, because aren't they supposed to be getting something from Livido too? Okay, here's what the packaging looks like. Mask and exfoliator. So leave on for up to 15 minutes, rinse off with water. $36. Okay, the next thing in here is from Real Her. It is Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. I've had a couple things from Real Her and I like them. Okay, here's what the inside of it looks like. Is this supposed to be a bronzer? Yes, bronzer, blush, and highlight. So this will be fun to try out in my try on video. So now I have everything for the face. I am afraid though that bronzer may be a little orange, but you never know until you try it. The Real Her is $28. Next thing in here is from Verso Dark Spot Fix with Retinol 8. Verso Skincare. Fading and Lightening Dark Spot Corrector with a high dose of Retinol 8. Verso Dark Spot Fix with Retinol 8. Verso Skincare from Stockholm. Fading and Lightening Dark Spot Corrector with a high dose of Retinol 8. Yeah, that's the language I can't understand. Apply on dark spots on the face, hands, or body before day or night cream. So you put this on under your night cream or day cream. Okay, and right here, Verso Dark Spot. $150. This must be magical. Magic in a bottle. That is crazy. $150? I gotta move on. Okay, the next thing in here is from Kenzie Life Beat. It's a perfume. Yay, this makes me happy. I'm anxious to try new perfumes. And it's a really cute bottle too. Okay, let's see if I can get a little... Oh, I can already smell it. Let's see if I can guess what the scents are. Hopefully it says in the book. I smell some vanilla. Vanilla. Let's see what the pamphlet says. It says, oh, this is a deluxe sample. I feel like this would be like fairly close to full size. 20 milliliters. Wow, the full size is 100 milliliters for $55. What is normal perfume? 90 milliliters. Okay, I hear ya. Okay, let's figure out about this Kenzie Life Beat. Are your nose blind to your everyday scents? Yes, that's a real thing. It's probably time to switch it up. This trend-setting fashion brand is bringing its soft, feminine aesthetic to the fragrance world with this light and fresh blend of citrus, coconut, peach, jasmine, and magnolia. There's no vanilla at all. Maybe I should spray it. I don't know. I'm not good at this scent deciphering thing. But whenever I first smelled it, it kind of smelled like those... It smells like whenever I was little, there was little kid perfumes and they had like glitter and stuff in it. That's what it kind of smells like. Good thing, bad thing? I don't know. There's two more things in here. First, we have from Ensub, the CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil, THC free plus 8 super oils. It says it has CBD oil, black sesame seed oil, black cumin seed oil, chia seed oil, carrot seed oil, broccoli seed oil, grape seed oil, and flaxseed oil. Okay, oh, nice packaging. So it's just a oil to get your what melts away makeup and impurities. Nifty. And the last thing in this box is from IBY Beauty. I think I picked this. I don't remember for sure. It is the Enlighten eyeshadow palette. Super cute packaging. Here's what the inside looks like. Those are some really pretty colors. This will be fun. Some blues, some pinks, some browns, some silvery taupey colors, and a hint of green. And the Enlighten palette is $25. Okay, let me go ahead and add up everything full size. So not including any of the deluxe sample prices, the total comes up to $347. It's because of that dark spot remover. It's $150. Cannot be a video without Duchess. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the prices of... Now I'm going to add in the prices of the things that were deluxe samples of what their full-size value would be. Just put it that way. That comes out to $505 of products you get to try. I don't want to go through and like price everything per milliliter or gram or anything, but I just wanted you to know that that's how much everything would cost. Did you see my arm? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like the kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. I do this one, the plus, right? Ipsy Plus, regular Ipsy, BoxyCharm Premium, Boxy Regular Box, Boxy Luxe if it's time for the month, FabFitFun. I ordered Gauze Box. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I did. Okay, I ordered a whole year of it. Okay, So, thank you for watching this video.